Hi good people, welcome back to Tiffy's channel. Today let's prepare the chicken thighs. If you're watching this video, kindly give a thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let's start. This is my chicken thighs. Who loves chicken like me? I really love chicken. I'll massage with salt gently. On this grated ginger and garlic. I'll also massage with it. I'll transfer to our foil paper. And here I'll apply oil. Once I'm done, I'll put it in the oven for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, this is how the chicken thighs look like. I have egg and flour. I'll dip it in a egg and I transfer it to a flour. I cut it. I cut it with flour. I repeat the same procedure. You cut it twice and again flour. I put another one. I repeat the same procedure. I dip them in the oil, hot oil. And then now guys, the chicken thighs are ready. This is how they look, guys. Thank you for watching.